Welcome back to GearUpWindows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to reset your local account password in Windows 11 or 10. For this, first click on this one start button and here type run. In the search results, click on this one run. This will open run dialog box. Here you need to type control space user passwords 2. You can also find this one command in this one video description. After typing this one command, click this one OK button. This will open user accounts window on your PC. Here select a local user account and then click on this one reset password button. Here type a new password according to your needs and then click on this one OK button. Click OK.